Hello students, I am Suraj. Welcome to my channel. Today we are starting the chapter number 5th one. It is arithmetic progression. And what is arithmetic progression, beta? See, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except first term. It means ये ऐसे नंबर्स की लिस्ट है बेटा. AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to preceding term. Okay, like this. Except the first term, it means फर्स्ट नंबर को छोड़ के फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ के बेटा रिमेनिंग सारी टर्म्स कैसे ऑब्टेन करते हैं? प्रीसीडिंग टर्म में फिक्स वैल्यू ऐड करके. एंड द फिक्स्ड वैल्यू फिक्स्ड नंबर व्हिच इज बीइंग एडेड इज कॉल्ड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. ओके, सपोज in the AP A is the first term. Okay, it is the general form of the AP. A is the first term. We are adding D as a fixed number. Okay, so adding D in A to get the second term. Okay, A is first term, second term is A plus D. Similarly, when we add D in the second term, we will get A plus 2D. Okay, and so on for the nth term. Okay, look in the series. Look in the AP. For the second term, it is A plus D. For third term, A plus 2D. For fourth term, A plus 3D. For nth term, what it will be? A plus n minus 1 into D. Right? Okay. So for nth term of AP, formula यहीं से derive हो जाएगा बेटा. ठीक है? For nth term of an AP is denoted by an. Let first term be A1, second term A2, third A3. So nth will be an. Okay, so an is equal to nth term of an AP. Nth term of an AP, the formula is an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. ठीक है, बेसिक क्वेश्चंस है. सपोज आपके पास में गिवन है बेटा. इफ इन क्वेश्चन एग्जांपल करते हैं. इफ द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ एन एपी इज 4. द फर्स्ट टर्म a1 is equal to 4. It is given, and the common difference is also given. That is common difference D is called the common difference. So common difference D is equal to 3 given. Okay, and if the first term is 4 and common difference of the AP is 3, then find out the 10th term. What will be the 10th term? So A10 is equal to what? A10 will be equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, right? Okay, A plus 10 minus 1, it can be written as A plus 9D. Okay, so A plus 9D, we will put the values here. We get 4 plus 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. So A10 will be equal to 4 plus 27 is 31. A10. So बहुत इजी है बेटा इस टाइप से. बट जो क्वेश्चन जिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जामिनेशंस में आते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस वहां से करते हैं. बहुत सिंपल से क्वेश्चन है बेटा. एक क्वेश्चन है. ओके, आई एम गोना क्लीन इट. बिफोर दैट पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट इट डाउन. ओके, एक एग्जांपल करेंगे. ठीक है, question number, it is from your exercise number 5.2. the question number 9th one. Okay, if the third and 9th term of an AP is, if third and ninth term of an AP is ninth term of an AP is of an AP. Okay, third and ninth term. Okay, so third and ninth term of an AP are 4 and -8, right? 4 and -8 respectively. Which term of the AP is 0? Question है -8 respectively. Okay, which term of the AP is 0? Third term is given, third term is 4 and ninth term is -8. Okay, क्वेश्चन में आपको पूछा है बेटा which term of the AP is 0? इट मींस कौन से नंबर की टर्म बेटा 0 होगी. सपोज कर लेंगे कि nth नंबर की टर्म क्या है 0 है. लेट nth टर्म be 0. In solution we'll write the given data. First, given that third term A3 is equal to 4. Okay, third term can be written as A plus 2D, right? A plus 2D is equal to 4. Let this equation number 1. Okay, second one, ninth term and A9 is equal to -8 is given. So A9 can also be represented as A plus 8D is equal to -8. Let this equation number 2. Okay, two equations, two unknown, A and D. Okay, we can easily calculate the values of A and D by using any of the method, whether we can use substitution method or elimination also. Okay, so just solve these two equations. On solving first and second one, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, what we get beta? See, A plus 8D is equal to -8, right? Okay, and the first equation was A plus 2D is equal to 4. Now we need to subtract now, so just change the signs. Minus, it is also negative. Okay, so A cancel out. What we get? 8D minus 2D is equal to 6D is equal to -8 minus 4 become -12. Okay, इसमें सपोज कर लेते हैं let nth term be 0. Which term is 0 पूछा है तो आपके बोले assume कर लेंगे बेटा let the nth term of this AP is 0. Okay, so an is equal to, therefore an must be equal to 0. Okay, so and we know that an is what? N is what? A plus n minus 1 into d, right? So a plus n minus 1 into d. So यहाँ से n का वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं बेटा. It is equal to 0 ना. Okay, so a और d की वैल्यूज अगर अपन कैलकुलेट कर लिए from these two equations, so we'll put the values here and get the solution of the question. Okay, बहुत easy है. d की वैल्यू क्या आएगी बेटा यहाँ से देखते हैं अपन. ये इक्वेशन है ना, you assume किया बेटा we have to write it in after given data, है ना. given data के जस्ट बाद में आपको इसको नोट डाउन कर लेना है. ठीक है, यहाँ लिख लेंगे A3 is equal to 4 and A9 is equal to -8. then suppose let nth term be 0, therefore an must be equal to 0. Okay, and after that from equation 1 and 2 we will solve this equation. Okay, so d is what beta? From this data 6d is equal to -12, so therefore d is equal to what? -2 na. Okay, 6 will be in a division, so 6 2s are 12, so d is equal to -2. Therefore A is what? Putting the value in equation first. Okay. Therefore, from equation first, 2 plus A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. So A minus 4 is equal to 4. So A is equal to 4. Minus 4 will transpose to right hand side, will become plus 4 is equal to 8. A is equal to 8. Okay. A is 8 and D is minus 2. 0. So nth term be 0. Assume कर लिया है nth term be 0. Therefore, so we know that nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Putting values in this equation. Okay. So we know that n is equal to 0 na. So putting values here, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Putting values here, 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 will transpose. Okay, 8 is being transposed to right hand side. What we get beta? N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Okay, now minus 2 transpose करेंगे बेटा तो क्या हो जाएगा? n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 upon minus 2. Minus minus cancel out. 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8 na? So n minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore n is equal to minus 1 will transpose to right hand side, become plus 1. So it is 5. So fifth term of this AP will be 0 beta. Okay, fifth term of the AP will be